Hey folks, my name is Tommy Reynolds, and on Saturday the 19th of October, I'm really excited to announce that I will be hosting a brand new lighting workshop here in this room at Chatham Historic Dockyard in Kent. This is one of my favourite venues to come and photograph at. This has been used to film Les Mis, Call the Midwife, Bridgerton, Sherlock Holmes, and more recently Ed Sheeran was here in this room recording a song as well. So if you're a beginner with flash, or you've kind of dabbled with flash a little bit, maybe using one light, then this is going to be the perfect opportunity for you to learn even more about getting the most out of that one light, or using multiple lights with not just one, not two, but 3 professional models that I'm going to be supplying here. I'm going to be designing the sets so that I wish that I was here shooting as an attendee. Now, spaces are limited. I have done this with intent so that you can get more hands-on time with the models, so that you can come away with even more variety. And not only that, it's also going to be a great networking opportunity for you to speak with other models, other like-minded photographers as well. As well as one-on-one time with the models, I will also be here to offer my expert advice and answer any questions that you might have. And I'm also happy to announce that also joining me to assist is Gavin Hoey from Adorama TV, who I'm sure you know fully well who Gavin is, so he will also be here to help to make this workshop even better. So if you want to book and join us, then I will leave a link in the description box below where you can book your spot on this workshop on Saturday the 19th of October. And ClearPay is also available as well, so that you can spread the cost over 4 installments to make it a little bit easier to pay. I hope to see you at this workshop. It's my first one in 3 years. I'm really excited to come back to teaching. And if you do have any questions, then just leave a comment below and I'll answer it as soon as I can. Thanks ever so much, and I'll see you soon. I mean, come on, look at this. It looks like I'm on a green screen. No, I'm actually here. This is incredible.